Alright, so in this video we're going to be creating the model for where we store our articles. So let's go ahead and make a model, and let's call this article model. So as you can see, one of the things that hasn't changed with Laravel 11 is that it still goes under the models directory where you have this article model here. So in this case, we are going to leave this model alone for now, and instead we're going to head into create articles table, and inside the create articles table we're going to have a string for the title of the article. We're going to have the string for the slug, which is going to be unique. We also want to essentially implement a text for the content. I'm going to use Mirror UI here with a WYSIWYG editor that's already implemented to store the content. I think this should not be able to be nullable. However, depending on your approach, you may be deciding to create the article first, generating a random UID. It's up to you how you want to do that. We also need to have in here just a boolean to show if it's published. We're not going to really work with a very advanced article structure here because we don't really need that for this course. So we're just really showing off reverb and how Laravel 11 works. So that's actually all for this model. And let's go ahead and make sure we migrate this. So PHP has to migrate, and you can see this has now been migrated. So if we now head into the article model in here, I always like to make sure I do the fillable. So we want to have the title in here, we want to have the slug, and we're going to use a Spatty media package for managing the media. So we're not going to be doing that in the model either, which we're going to be working on later on. We want to have the content in here, and then just is published. So with these set, we're now able to write into the model, which is quite convenient and useful. So that's all for this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe button, and if you enjoyed the content, please take a look at some of my other courses in here where you, for example, can learn how to build a YouTube clone or how to build a course platform with View 3. Thank you very much for watching again.